Software companies have a unique advantage that most traditional businesses don't. They can grow revenue dramatically without growing headcount at the same pace. While a restaurant needs more staff to serve more customers and a factory needs more workers to produce more goods, software companies can scale to millions of users with surprisingly small teams. This ability to decouple growth from hiring is one of the main reasons software is considered one of the most powerful business models in the modern economy. At the core of this scalability is the nature of software itself. Software is a digital product. Once it is built, it can be copied and distributed at almost zero marginal cost. The first version of a product might take years of engineering time and millions in investment, but serving the second customer or the millionth customer costs almost nothing extra. There is no inventory to manufacture, no shipping required, and no physical limits to distribution. Automation plays a major role in reducing the need for people. Software companies automate tasks that would otherwise require large teams. Customer onboarding, billing, payments, upgrades, account management, and even customer support are often handled by software itself. A single well-designed system can replace the work of dozens or hundreds of employees. For example, self-serve signups allow users to create accounts, enter payment details, and start using a product without talking to a salesperson. Cloud infrastructure is another critical factor. In the past, scaling a software company meant buying servers, managing data centers, and hiring infrastructure teams. Today, cloud platforms handle most of that complexity. Software companies can scale computing power, storage, and performance on demand without hiring large operations teams. A small engineering team can support massive user growth by relying on scalable cloud services. Standardization also enables lean growth. Software companies build one core product that serves many customers with similar needs. Instead of customizing the product for each client, they focus on building features that work for everyone. This build once, sell many times approach allows revenue to grow much faster than costs. Even when customization is needed, it is often handled through configurable settings rather than human effort. Product-led growth further reduces the need for large sales teams. Many software companies rely on the product itself to drive adoption. Free trials, freemium plans, and easy upgrades allow users to experience value before paying. When the product is intuitive and delivers clear benefits, users convert themselves into paying customers. This reduces reliance on expensive, people-heavy sales processes. Customer support scales differently in software businesses. Instead of hiring large support teams, companies invest in knowledge bases, tutorials, onboarding flows, chatbots, and community forums. One well-written help article can answer thousands of customer questions. As the product improves, support requests often decrease, allowing the same support team to handle a much larger customer base. Software companies also benefit from high employee leverage. A single engineer can write code that impacts millions of users. A small product team can introduce features that unlock entire new markets. This leverage means that each additional hire can generate outsized returns compared to traditional businesses, reducing the need to hire aggressively just to grow revenue. Recurring revenue models make scaling more predictable and efficient. Subscription-based pricing allows companies to earn ongoing revenue from existing customers without additional selling effort. As long as churn is controlled, revenue compounds over time. This steady cash flow allows companies to reinvest in product improvements rather than expanding headcount to chase new sales constantly. Global distribution further amplifies scalability. Software products can be sold worldwide without opening new offices or hiring local teams in every market. Localization, payments, and delivery are often handled digitally. A company with a small team in one country can serve customers across the globe, something that would be nearly impossible for most non-software businesses. Data and feedback loops also help software companies scale efficiently. Usage data reveals what features users value most, where they struggle, and what drives retention. This allows teams to focus their efforts on high-impact improvements instead of relying on large teams making guesswork-based decisions. Better decisions mean fewer people are needed to achieve better outcomes. That said, scaling without hiring many people does not mean scaling without challenges. As user bases grow, complexity increases. Systems must remain reliable, security becomes critical, and customer expectations rise. The most successful software companies are careful about where they add people, prioritizing roles that multiply impact rather than simply adding headcount. In the end, software companies scale efficiently because they turn human effort into reusable digital assets. Code, once written, keeps working day and night without additional cost. Automation replaces manual work, cloud infrastructure removes operational bottlenecks, and product-led growth reduces dependency on large teams. This combination allows software companies to grow faster, farther, and more profitably than most other types of businesses, all while staying remarkably lean.